Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly air fryers. Air fryers have become a kitchen staple, promising crispy, delicious food with minimal oil. Finding a good one under $35 can be tricky. We're here to help. We put 5 of the most popular budget air fryers to the test to see if they live up to the hype. Let's get frying. Number 1. Black & Decker 4-Slice Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven. This isn't exactly a traditional air fryer, but it boasts an air fry function alongside toasting, baking, and broiling. It's a multi-cooker on a budget. While it can handle larger portions than the other options, the air fry basket itself isn't huge. Cooking time might be longer compared to dedicated air fryers, but it's a versatile option for small kitchens. Number 2. EAF 3218BL Personal 1.1 QT Compact Space Air Fryer. This little guy is perfect for singles or couples. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. We found the temperature controls to be a little less precise, but it did manage to crisp up some frozen fries nicely. Keep in mind the small capacity. You won't be cooking family meals in this one. Number 3. Bella 2 Quarts Manual Air Fryer Oven. This 2-quart option offers air frying alongside other functions like baking and roasting. We like the removable dishwasher-safe crisping tray, but the manual controls take some getting used to. It might not be the most intuitive option for beginners. Number 4. EAF 1121 Personal 1.1 QT Compact Space Air Fryer. Another personal-sized air fryer. This one is very similar to the EAF 3218BL. It has similar features and a comparable capacity. Our experience was consistent. The fries came out crispy, but temperature control felt a little loose. Number 5. 13.5 in 5-quart air fryer. Whoa there, hold on, this one snuck into the list. A 5-quart air fryer for under $35. It sounds too good to be true, and it probably is. While there might be some listings for incredibly cheap, large air fryers, they're most likely not reputable brands and could be safety hazards. It's best to stick with established brands within your budget.